Ako pa rin po si Mrs. Jervy Wrightson. Ito ang naging pahayag ng TV host na si Kaladkaren o si Jervy Wrightson sa tunay na buhay matapos kumalat ang issue na nagkakalabuan na raw ang pagsasama nila ng Mr. na si Luke Wrightson. Sa latest airing ng programang Frontline Pilipinas, nagkaroon na ng paglilinaw si Kaladkaren at iginiit niyang hindi sila naghiwalay ng asawa. Humirit din ang co-anchor na si Julius Babao at sinabing, "Maraming mga concern sa viewers natin. Meron kang gustong sabihin sa kanila?" Sabi ni Kaladkaren. "Lilinawin ko lang po yung issue tungkol sa amin ni Luke. You know, our marriage is not perfect. Katulad ng ibang couples, syempre may misunderstandings, merong challenges at hindi rin po nakakatulong na minsan hindi kami magkasama because Luke is working abroad. But for 13 years, sinubok na po kami ng panahon at araw-araw pinipili po naming mahalin ang isa't isa. So kami pa rin po. We're still together." Say niya. Dagdag pa ni Kaladkaren, "Wala po kaming problema ni Luke. Masaya po kaming mag-asawa. So I think, ang moral of the story, we have to be responsible with, with the content that we receive and consume." Matatanda ang biglang kumalat sa social media na naghiwalay na umano si Kaladkaren at Luke matapos ibandera ng una ang isang TikTok video na ginamit ang background music ni Ariana Grande na "We Can't Be Friends." Kasunod niyan ay may mga nakapansin na tila burado na raw ang wedding photos ng dalawa sa Instagram page ni Kaladkaren. Tumindi pa ang espekulasyon ng mga marites nang biglang tanungin ni Julius si Kaladkaren noong nakaraan tungkol sa nasabing chismis. Sa halip kasi na sumagot ay natawa na lang si Kaladkaren at napatakip ng kamay sa kanyang mukha.
Please continue to support my channel by subscribing.
Please comment, like and subscribe if you wish for more stories.
Ano ang estado ng relasyon ninyo ni John Estrada? Ang diretsahang tanong ng King of Talk na si Boy Abunda kay Priscilla matapos maging usap-usapan sa social media ang pagpapaganda ng beauty queen. Ang pagtitiyak ng celebrity mom, legally, we're still married. Pero nung nag-follow up si Tito Boy kung nagsasama pa rin ang dalawa, naging tikom ang bibig ni Priscilla. "Let's just stay that way. Legally, we're still married," say niya sa TV host. Kasunod niyan ay muling binalikan ng King of Talk yung naging pahayag ni John na pansamantalang nag-break sila ni Priscilla. Ang tugon diyan ng beauty queen, "Well, I was not aware of that. I don't know. Maybe kung nag-decide siya sa side niya to take a break, he forgot to inform me." Sa kabila ng hinaharap na issue sa mister, inamin ni Priscilla na siya ay masaya, lalo na't ang focus niya ngayon ay self-love. "I am in a place where I'm at peace, I have joy from within, and I'm really having a great time because now I have time to focus on myself. I'm investing time on myself, health-wise, physically healthy, mental health. I have a wonderful relationship with my daughter and whatever happens in terms of what is my status right now, all I can say is that technically I'm still married. I guess if that's what he said from that time, even though I was not aware, it made everybody aware including me, so that's pretty much what's happening," aniya pa. Sa tanong naman na, "Are you at a point in your life na pinaglalaban mo pa rin ang marriage mo?" Ang pagbibigay diin ni Priscilla, "I'm in a point in my life na pinaglalaban ko ang sarili ko. So importante sa akin, masaya ako, importante sa akin, I have peace of mind. I went back to loving myself which was lost for many years, and I'm not blaming anyone. It's basically my fault that I got to a point where I was not loving myself anymore. So today I can say that, oh my gosh, I have so much love because I love myself. First is God, and then I have so much love to share."
Please continue to support my channel by subscribing.
Please comment, like and subscribe if you wish for more stories.